Hey guys, it's Maya. I'm back again and welcome to my morning routine. I just wanted to share with you since a few of you had asked me what my mornings look like. This is what they look like. I'm up and about around 5:36 in the morning, check my Instagram, show my people some love, and then just make my way into the kitchen. First thing I do is take my vitamins. This video is not sponsored, guys. I legit take these vitamins. I love them. And some CBD oil. CBD oil is amazing for keeping me calm and collected during the day. It's totally natural, so nothing to it. Make myself some tea, and I like ginger lemon tea. Check my emails, respond, check my social media pages as well, get on some business. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I use this face wash from Neutrogena for, I don't know, maybe 15 years. I try a lot of other things, but I always keep going back to it. And this moisturizer by DIOR, called Life, is very, very light. I've got oily combination skin, so light moisturizer works really well for me for the day. I don't want to get oily. Jeez, it's the worst, especially when you go to gym and you start sweating. Some of this eye cream, I'm gonna put the name of the cream down below. I don't know how to pronounce it. I didn't want to embarrass myself, so it's some French name. Get into my gym gear. This one is by DF Pro. Oof, I love their stuff. Love them. And just out the house, hop on to my bike, because that's what I use most of the time. When the sun is out, I'm on my bike. I only get into the car really when I buy groceries or I just have some luggage with me. So I need, space, but the bike is my everyday. So now we had to make it dramatic because, Jacques was editing this video and I told him, Jacques, when the bike scene comes, just make that light go bam. Okay, so I'm on my way to gym. I go to gym every day, guys. I do classes in the morning, yoga or Pilates, and then maybe sometimes in the evening I would do weights or boxing. I like gymming, it keeps me fit. I did lose like 12, 13 kilos between fat freezing and gym. I nailed it, so I'm just happy with my body right now. I still need to, work hard to keep it consistent, but yeah, it is hard work. So after my shower, I will do my hair. My hair gets very oily. I've got hair extensions on, got tape ins, and I just find that going to gym and sweating is not ideal for having extensions, but I try and make it work. So that's why I did a Brazilian blowout so my hair textures can be similar because my hair is curly. Anyway, now I'm gonna brush my hair and blow dry it, just flat iron it a little bit. I normally wear it in a ponytail during the day because I always move around, I work, and most of the time I got my helmet on as well. So having a good hair day every day during the week for me is impossible. Oh, these pajamas, by the way, guys, I got them from this Instagram page. They've got a website called Sue Couture. And yeah, I'm gonna put their link in the description box below so you guys can check them out. They sent them to me. They didn't pay me or anything to post this video. I was just wearing them because I really like what they look like and they're very comfortable. So shout out to you guys for gifting me these nice pajamas. And I'm gonna do my makeup. So for my makeup, I keep it very, very simple, really simple. I've just applied my foundation. This one is by DIOR 24-hour foundation, and I'm gonna put some lip stain, which is what I normally wear the whole day. Lip stain and a little bit of lip liner. You can see I'm just like wiping it off, and that's it. My eyebrows are done and I'm done. Today I'm starting my morning tutoring Ella, who is an aspiring YouTuber, to start her YouTube channel. So today we're just filming a YouTube tutorial and I'm helping her out with some tips and ideas. This is what I do, guys. I love helping other young and aspiring artists get their way into social media. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you lots, and I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Until then, stay blessed.